Welcome to Unacademy. You just took a step towards cracking your goal. We are here to guide you at every step of your learning journey. And it begins right here, with us taking you on a quick tour of the app. The Browse tab on the app offers you a picture of all the courses you can study from. Right on top are the courses that are live at the moment, followed by batch courses, popular courses, upcoming courses, and crash courses. And while you're watching this, our top educators are busy adding more courses for you. Click on the See All button to check them out. Learning all topics at one place is the smartest way to prepare for your exam. And that's exactly why we have designed batch courses for you. Click on the Browse option to see the ongoing and upcoming batch courses and pick a course that has the latest start date. Don't worry, we've got you covered in every possible way. You can also opt for quick revision courses to add the Unacademy edge to your preparation. Enroll for crash courses and let top educators take charge of the last mile of your preparations. Your preparation deserves the best, and our top educators will ensure that. Follow your favorite educators and stay up to date. There are no silly questions, and we thrive on answering all your doubts. While dedicated doubt-solving live classes are a part of every course, we also have the Ask a Doubt feature for quick resolution of doubts even after your live classes. Just click on Ask a Doubt, type your question or click a picture of your doubt, highlight one specific question, choose the subject that the question falls under, and share it with your educator. Yes, it's that simple. That's not all. At the end of the class, you can also download the complete class recording to access it offline, or simply download the PDF file with class notes for reference and quick revision. When you have Unacademy as your learning companion, missing a class is a thing of the past. The My Schedule tab on your homepage gives you a list of all the classes you have lined up for the day. It also helps you plan your day and stay on top of your preparation. Additionally, you can view a complete list of all the courses you have enrolled for in the Enrollments tab. You will never have the fear of missing out with Unacademy. The syllabus feature on the app helps you find all the chapters of a particular subject in one place. Be it during the initial stages of your preparation or the night before an exam, simply choose the subject and get access to all the topics under it. Let's get this straight. Learning on Unacademy is hassle-free and rewarding. With the Continue Learning tab, you can pick up from where you left off. Be it classes or tests, resume instantly without any hassles. You can't crack it till you practice it. And with Unacademy, you can practice till you're perfect. Click on the Tests icon on your taskbar to access all the ways you can put your preparation to test. Choose the Daily Tests option if you wish to answer topic-wise questions. Enroll for the test series and attempt full-length mock tests. Don't miss out on the analysis classes by top educators for these tests. In the mood for something fun? Challenge yourself with the quizzes and see how you fare against your peers. One of the many perks of learning on Unacademy is getting detailed reports to assess your progress. With the profile section on your app, you can keep a track of your watch minutes and your learning streak for the week. Staying on track with your preparation is that easy with Unacademy. We are constantly learning and evolving, and therefore your feedback is crucial for us to understand your learning needs better. You can use the Help and Support option to reach out to us. Once you click on Help and Support, you will see 5 categories listed for instant help. If your issue falls under any of these categories, you can get an immediate resolution. In case your concern is not listed, you can click on the Chat with Us option on the same screen and get in touch with our support team. Staying true to our nature, we'll find a solution for you at the earliest. Your journey towards cracking it begins here. Make the Unacademy app your friend and guide and always stay on top of your preparation. Let's crack it.